Are you wondering if you can access Peacock content through YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether these two platforms are connected. If you're hoping to stream Peacock shows or movies on YouTube TV, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, you cannot access Peacock content directly through YouTube TV. Peacock is a separate streaming service with its own library of shows, movies, and live sports like the Olympics and WWE, while YouTube TV focuses on live TV channels like ESPN, CNN, and local affiliates. The two services operate independently, so you'll need a separate Peacock subscription to watch its exclusive content. However, you can still enjoy both platforms by switching between apps on your device. Keep in mind that some Peacock content, like select sports events, may air on networks included in YouTube TV's lineup, but original Peacock shows like The Office or Poker Face require a Peacock account. If this video helped you understand how Peacock and YouTube TV work, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.